Hey guys, what's going on? Ended up trucker hunting down in southern Idaho, and doing this kind of got me thinking of how about a year ago we got some farm birds for our puppy Jake, and we planned them and was training him how to fetch, so thought I would share it with you guys. Check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the clip. It's always good to get a young pup like Jake out in the field when we can't get him on the wild birds sometimes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next team board hunting adventure.